Now it's raining outside. Again. See, it's raining and sort of hailing. See? Like those little rocks you see keep on bouncing up. That's hail. See? If I can show. Probably get you a close up over here. Oh, did you see that? Like on the right. There's like these pieces keep on going up and down. How about over here? Let's see if there's any hail bouncing up down over here. I don't see anything. Oh, let's go back over there. Yeah, it's raining again. Second storm. Pretty interesting. Oh, there's a lightning flash, I think, somewhere. You can hear the thunder. Oh, that's the lens. Okay, and yeah, that's my little tree there. I've been growing it myself. See? Beautiful. Don't ask about that wooden thing. Okay. Let's see if we can find any lightning. Oh, yeah, did you see that? I saw that. I think I'll just patrol sky from back here. See if we can get any lightning again. I don't think we'll get any lightning again. Yep. Oh, there's thunder. Definitely tell that. Saw this one. Oh, that's a sticker on the back. Not the camera lens. Yep. Sayonara.